strapped on.
Okay.
And then we're going to come down that.
Okay.
People will know. We're just looking across the canyon from that.
Okay, that trail over there.
Yeah, this one.
Okay. No dabs. Feet on the peg all the way.
All the way?
All the way.
That's what you want.
I know you can do it.
No dabs over there.
Are we going to climb it?
No.
I climbed about half of that not knowing I wasn't supposed to be able to one day.
Well, the only problem is if you got to stagger out so much because we're going to be smoking out.
I know.
And I don't have a tire, so that's my excuse.
So we'll find a slightly easier way up it and then come down. Okay.